7 countries lost vote in UN General Assembly over arrears. Iran has signed 3 agreements with Turkey to expand bilateral rail cooperation. UN urges Israel to halt reverse new settlement in West Bank. 16 security forces members, 2 civilians killed in clashes in Afghanistan Kunduz. 10th round of talk between government and farmer union postponed to January 20. In Central African Republic, 2 UN peacekeepers have been killed in an attack by rebels near the southern city of Bangassou. China rescued drill new lifeline to trap gold miners. Afghan vice president pushes for execution of Taliban prisoners.